Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X5c Plus, and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. Let's tap on it. Right now we are on the video mode. We can switch to the photo one if you wish, but it doesn't really matter because we will open general settings. And to do that, we have to tap on this gear icon, so the settings icon in the right upper corner. Let's tap on it, and here scroll all the way down to find restore defaults. So just tap on it, tap on OK. And we just got back to the camera, and here we've got the evidence that the reset option worked, because our device is asking us about the access to the location, and this is the first thing which your device usually shows you if you're opening the camera for the very first time, where you've got the brand new device, which means obviously that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.